We're out here again with our AR build that's using the Palmetto State Armory FN upper. It's super duper heavy chrome line barrel. It's got a 1-in-7 twist, and I found that this gun does not shoot 55 grain ammo very well. It likes the 62 grain M855. So I took this out and fired it. I didn't tape that day, so I didn't show it. But when I Loctited this thing down, when I got home, it was loose and still Loctited. So this settled in a little. And the only thing I can find, I tried getting some Lake City ammo to see how it shoots, but at the local store I got this Winchester ammo. And basically has a military style head stamp, so it's probably all coming from the same place. But now I'm going to try to sit here and re-sight this thing in and make sure I didn't lose my zero from where I was before. Okay, I'm going to go down and take a quick look. Okay, made a couple clicks on the rear sight. It did change windage wise. Now I'm going to do a little more precision aiming. Alright, let's go down and look. Alright, first two were down here. I did the windage a little. Kind of got it maybe a hair more. And the elevation, well, I was aiming here, but now I'm aiming here. So I'm going to say the elevation's fine. Trying to sight that dot in with iron sights. So I'm going to plug these up, give it a few more clicks, and try to bring it over and then see what happens. Alright, after some fine tuning, I believe I got it now sighted in at 50. Alright guys, there we go. Like I said, this thing is fairly accurate. That's with iron sights. Alright, and yeah, the ammo's good. I might have it set a tad high, 'cause I'm aiming right at the bottom of that dot. So maybe carry this sucker out to the 100-yard range and see what happens. Alright.